So hello guys, welcome to Cabal Easy Channel. And of course, this is Ritz, ang taong nasa likod ng Cabal Easy Channel. And all this channel is all about how to make money online, how to have creative ways, how to have extra income or multiple ways on how to get money through digital platform. Okay? So guys, pag-uusapan natin ngayon okay, ang isang legit websites. Okay, dalawang websites tatalakayin natin ngayon. And of course, kailangan nyo lang dito is PayPal account and magsusurvey o di kaya manonood lang kayo ng videos and you're good to go. Makakapag kita na kayo ng pera dito. Okay, so bago yan, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Kabal Easy channel. And of course, sa mga bagong viewers natin dyan, shout out sa inyo lahat. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? And guys, and today, pag-uusapan natin ngayon, yun nga, natalakay natin kanina is on how to make money online. Okay? So, overview muna tayo. Okay, unang-una is yung websites na to is worldwide. Okay, so 18 plus above and mababang bayad sa dolyar and PayPal legit ways. Okay? So legit ways. So mababang bayad lang po siya ng dolyar guys kasi hindi po siya ganoon ka komplikado at kahirap gawin kasi all you need to do here is that magso-survey lang po kayo and of course magwa-watch ng videos and you're good to go. You earn dollars here. Okay, so dollars to peso, malaki na po yun. Okay, so yun guys, nagtalakayan natin overview and tara, diretso na tayo. Okay, so unang-unang pag-uusapan natin yung website na to guys is Zoombucks. Okay, Zoombucks, ito po siya. Okay, so Zoombucks. So Zoombucks guys is para siyang online app, all right, or online website. Okay, so you can earn cash by completing surveys, watching TV, and doing offers. Okay, so pagkatapos nyan, how it works. Okay, so si Zoombox guys is online platform kung saan yung mga brand, kunyari may mga iba't ibang klaseng brand sa buong mundo, pupunta kay Zoombox to have engagements para ma-aware yung ibang tao na meron palang ganitong brand na existing sa buong mundo. Okay? So ito po siya. So yun po yung trabaho ni Zoombox. Kumukolekta siya ng iba't ibang tao para pag nakita yung product na yun, okay, or yung brand na yun sa iba't ibang klaseng tao, magkakaroon po sila ng engagement through the Zoombox website. Yun po yung ginagawa ni Zoombox. Andun tayo papasok for engagement as a person. Okay? So, yun po. Step one is brand wants engagement. And step two is, of course, we recruit members. Okay? So, just for example, guys, this is gonna be passive income. You recruit members. For example, meron po kayong tropa. Okay, so nangangailangan siya ng mga spare time, just 3 to 5 minutes o di kaya 6 minutes na available po siya. Okay, magagawa po dito yung cellphone lang po as long as you make it set as a desktop and you're good to go. Okay, so hindi po natin alam kung meron na po silang app na Zoombox but in the further notice, alam kong magkakaroon din sila ng application. Okay, so in the meantime, dito muna tayo sa zoombox.com, yung website. Okay, so pag naka-recruit kayo ng members guys, meron po siyang affiliate. Meaning to say, if you have the unique code for Zoombox, meron po kayong commission nun sa bawat tropa makukuha nyo. Okay, so yun po yung we recruit members. And step 3 is you do online actions. Okay, so you do online action. So dito na napapasok yung klase-klase yung pera. Okay? So, yung cash out dito guys, of course, meron po siyang Google Play, Roblox, okay? PlayStation Store, Microsoft Windows, and PayPal, and Amazon gift card, and IMVU, okay? And Mario, and Clash of Clans, and Xbox, Minecraft, and Steam. And ang dami pa dito. Kapag clinic natin yung see all rewards, okay? So makikita natin yan. Okay, madami po siya. Alright. So Mobile Strike, Clash of Royale, 60, Airbnb, Facebook, oh, ang dami niya guys, okay? So eBay, Bitcoin, makukuha yung Bitcoin din dito. Okay? So dito guys, ang kailangan niyo lang dito is mag-setup po ng account, okay? Napakadali lang po, okay? And magse-setup po tayo ng account, and all you need to do is that 'pag nandito na kayo, okay, so meron lang po tapos niyan password, okay. So may pinakamabilis na pag-sign up dito guys is which, puwede i-connect niyo yung Facebook, meron ding connect with Google. So sa akin Google, alright. 'Pag clinic niyo yung Google, okay, magsa-sign in lang kayo, iko-connect yung Google account niyo to zoombucks and you're good to go. So kapag kinik natin 'to, papasok tayo sa zoombucks, sa loob ng zoombucks, okay? So dito guys, makikita natin ang iba't ibang klaseng ways to earn, okay? So kung bago pa kayo dito, makikita natin confirm your email address since email address ang ginamit natin, and 'pag ni-read natin 'to, magkakaroon ganitong check 'yan. Read our guides, complete profile, earn your first GP, okay? So make sure guys, kailangan niyo basahan 'to and complete now kasi dito sila nagbe-base kung anong klaseng surveys na ibibigay nila sa'yo, okay? So complete profiles, okay? So bibigay sila ng survey base sa mga lugar kung saan kayo sa Pilipinas at kung anong mga klaseng puwedeng ibibigay na survey sa inyo. And pagkatapos niyan, you're good to go. So dito, okay, sa featured offers, okay, dito natin makikita ang iba't ibang klaseng how to make money, okay? In the first place, okay, so pag-click natin surveys, dito natin makikita, okay? Pag-click natin yung mga earn na 'to, okay, pupunta tayo sa ibang page na 'to, okay? So ang kailangan niyo lang gawin is magsu-survey lang kung applicable po yung profile background niyo sa survey na 'to. And mostly naman guys 'pag clinic niyo 'yan, you're good to go, okay? So 'pag dito naman sa another way is videos, okay? Sa videos naman guys makikita natin 'yan is, um, manonood lang po tayo ng videos, alright? So try natin yung more videos at pagkatapos niyan 'yan, okay? So 'yun, ito, okay. So kailangan natin yung premium videos, ayan po. Hideout TV, earn 7 points or every 3 videos with ads. Okay, pag-clicking natin yan, makapanood tayo ng iba't ibang videos. Okay, so wag po kayong ma-matter dito guys. So join now, join now. Okay, so yun lang na easy task lang ang gawin natin para hindi tayo masyadong malito. In the later part, pwede natin explore yan basta-basta. Okay, so videos, yun po yan kung 5 earnings and $5. Okay, sa offers naman ito yung medyo malaki, okay. So dito yung surveys, Rubit and Rubit. And yes, meron po kayong deposit $5 and wages extra dollars. Okay. So siguro magtataka kayo guys dito ng 3,745. Okay. Yung sign ng dollars dito, hindi po siya yung perang makukuha nyo. In the first place, yung ito lang pong coins logo niya na ginawa ni zoombucks para, 'pag naipon 'yan, okay, 'pag naipon 'yan ika-convert to PayPal and conversion to PayPal magiging dollars na po siya, okay. So dollars, coins lang po yung ginamit niya para, meron silang, currency in zoombucks, okay. So para hindi lang po kayo malito, okay. So titignan natin yung mga top earners sa zoombucks, okay? So dito guys, kita natin yung mga iba't ibang, flag, United States, okay? So kumita na po siya ng ito yung sinabi ko, 300, 328,234. Equivalent po yan is $328.23. So guys, napakaganda po niyan na opportunity, lalong-lalo na sa Pilipinas. Pag kinonvert natin yan, ang laki na po niyan guys. Okay? So sa baba naman, mayroon tayong UK, Australian, pagkakalam ko Australia 'to, and UK na naman, and we have India. And of course, ito po yung mga top earners within this month. Okay? So, yung rewards, meron silang usually PayPal ginagamit nila guys. Okay, so kung nakuha nila yung pera talaga, PayPal. And konti lang yung Amazon.com na, kumukuha. So, nagka-cash out sila PayPal, okay. So, yun po yun guys, and sana'y, nakatulong 'tong video na 'to, okay. So, another ways on how to make, money also is one website. We have grabpoints. Okay, so grabpoints guys, the same lang po siya with zoombucks. Okay, so kita natin dito is watching TV, answering surveys, completing offers, and they have downloading apps. Okay, meron po siyang downloading apps which is napaka convenience po sa atin. Okay, so lang na sa mga Pilipino is katulad ko, katulad nyo na gusto yung mga apps kasi medyo convenient for puwede siyang dalhin kahit saan, okey? Para makapag, um, diskarte para kumita ng pera sa online, okey? So, the same po siya guys, yeah, yung brands mag-a-advertise po sa GrabPoints to get engagement. Pagkatapos niyan, affiliate, okay, like you. And of course, you do online activities, watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps, and more. And free gifts, PayPal din yung nakukuha natin dito. And then, gift cards and rewards, nakukuha talaga yung PayPal kasi gusto nila kumita ng pera talaga. Ika-convert nila for dollar cash. Okay, so testimonial is napaka-legit po, Okay, so let's try to do overview or recap. Okay, so zoombucks.com, yun po yung website guys. And of course, the second one is grab points. And all you need to do is kailangan nyo lang ng email address para makapag-sign up po kayo dito. And of course, um, answer na surveys, watching TV, and completing offers. And you're good to go. You're gonna get money here. Okay, and of course, sa Trustpilot, ito po siyang pinagkakatiwalaan na website, legit website, kung okay ba yung performance ng mga site. Okay, so Zoombox, okay. So as we can see, 97, excellent po 'yan. And then dito natin makikita sa baba, meron po siyang 1, okay. So nag-reply naman si Zoombox, okay. So meaning to say concerned sila sa um, mga people user katulad ko, katulad nyo na gusto nila is comfortable yung mga users nila. Okay, so yun lamang po guys. And of course, sana ay nakatulong tong videos na to and to give you little bit knowledge on how to make money online and using zoombucks.com and grabpoints.com. And sana ay nakatulong 'to sa inyo guys. Kung nagustuhan niyo po yung video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe Kabal Easy channel. And of course, share na po natin sa iba nating tropa para ma-inform po sila. Okay? So, of course, that's all for tonight. And thank you guys sa panunod hanggang dulo sa video 'to. Okay? So, ingat po tayo lahat guys. Salamat.